Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Brian. For those that don't know, my name is Brian. I'm a marketing consultant. I work with small businesses. I teach them how to leverage their small audiences to turn into real life customers and clients that walk into the door and pay them actual real money and not pay them in likes. And so I've taught multiple businesses how to do this. I've taught I've taught people how to use small social media platforms to make money. And so now I'm turning the camera on myself, like I'm being the lab rat, because I'm trying to see if I can prop up this channel. I've done a previous video talking about why my thumbnails suck. The video before that was I'm trying to see if I can monetize a channel with 59 subscribers. And I know that it's not going to stay 59 subscribers. I've actually had some positive growth, but it's still a small channel. And so I'm trying to see if I can grow that one. Okay. So I wanted to give y'all honest look, about what I'm kind of experiencing. And so this video is why my videos don't get clicked on and what I'm changing. And not only, I mean, yeah, they have to click on to watch them, but I'm kind of jumping into why they're not getting watched either. Okay. So that's what it is. Now, I do know that I think it might have to do with how I'm posting content on this channel. Um, a lot of my a lot of my audience comes from shorts. Um, and shorts is short attention span theater. I even did an audit of myself, how I consume shorts, and like if it's not hooking me in 20 seconds, I'm off of it, and I'm trying to actually improve that side of it, just because there is valuable content, and I don't have to be entertained specifically to get good information. But I digress. The way I constructed this channel, because what I was doing was I was going off the dopamine rush of making shorts. I drop a short, I get 50 views. I drop a short, get 150 views. Drop a short, get 500 views. And the dopamine hit was dope, but I think it was kind of crafting the wrong audience, where it's people that don't that if you don't provide value in that first couple of seconds, they're gone. Okay, and I'm not one of those people. My mind doesn't work like that. And so, one, I do need to improve my style, and so that's what this video is. But two, also, I need to change the basis of this and start doing more long form videos again. Okay, so I'm showing y'all how I'm trying to make my content a little more discoverable and more watchable. Okay, so I've dealt with this. I'm experiencing it right now. I post a video, nobody watches it. Feels like shit. Feels terrible. But instead of sulking about it, instead of blaming the algorithm, I'm going to actually try to turn the camera on myself and fix it. All right. And I'm trying to look at why. So you're going to get a glimpse behind how I fix this. And all this is another series that I'm making in terms of building a better channel, building a channel that actually makes money. My goal is to grow this from the 59. One is to grow from 59 subscribers. Like that's the goal. Like I need to add subscribers. But two, seeing if I can make a predictable revenue with a micro audience. I know it's possible because I've done it for other people. Okay. But I want to see if I can do it for myself. So just doing a quick audit of my channel and trying to look at it as dispassionately as possible. Um, I know my titles are kind of vague. I try to get too cute with the titles at one point, and people don't know what the hell the videos are about. The thumbnails suck, and I just mentioned that in my last video. If you want to know about my journey with thumbnails, I will drop a link somewhere for y'all to go check it out. It's either the end of this video or I'll put it up here. However y'all do that stuff. um, I realized that I was making videos for not, and it's not even for me. I was making videos for everybody on the platform as opposed to my target audience. My target audience is really business owners, people that want to use social media as a part of their marketing strategy to get clients in the door. And so I was trying to do, basic content for YouTubers and stuff. And here's the thing, like I am not one of those YouTube guys yet. Like I'm not one of those YouTube guys that has that established credibility on the platform, um to talk some of this stuff, but I do have the application in real life. Like I get paid to do this in real life. All right. And so I can't count on just me showing up on the screen and telling people X, Y, and Z, and this is what I know. I can't count on that because I don't have the proof on the platform yet. And so I'm trying to establish that. All right. The shift. I'm rewriting a lot of my titles. I'm going to be changing my thumbnails around. Um, and I might even redo some videos that I have on here that meander and don't necessarily get to the point. I have ADHD, and part of ADHD is circumstantial speaking. I try to jam in as many tangents as possible because I fear being misunderstood because I was misunderstood a lot when I was younger, just how I communicated. And so part of that is you go off on so many tangents and you over explain. I'm trying to simplify it. All right. So I'm rewriting my titles like questions that people actually search. And I'm taking another step. I'm actually rewriting them um, to not, to not even just how like questions, like things people actually look up, things people actually say. So instead of building a business on YouTube, it's can I make money with 59 subscribers? Does that make sense? All right. So I'm studying some of my own analytics. Um, the analytics that this is not going to be able to track is going to be stuff that's off platform, which is conversions. And so I'm going to be looking at conversions, see how this is driving traffic to the stuff that makes me money. And I will be trying to share what I can. Um, every video on here gets would I click on this test before I upload it? Okay. So here's the thing. Views aren't validation or rejection. They're data points. Right now, I'm in the research phase. I'm trying to improve my channel. Um, and so if you're under 100 subscribers, your job isn't to go viral, it's to learn what people actually care to click. That's the thing I'm learning. Okay. But I'm also seeing uh, how fast I can apply things that I've done for other channels where people who have 80, 90 subscribers, I've gotten them to where they're actually booking out clients and stuff. So I'm just turning it on myself. Okay. Next time, I'm going to break down what changed after I started writing like a viewer and not just a marketer. Um, and really looking how I'm treating the entire process of all the other stuff that goes into creating good videos. So this is another series that I'm going to be doing, and about seeing if I can improve my watchability and my click through rates. So that's all I got. Do appreciate y'all tuning in. Join me on this journey. I do have a school community that is teaching people the basics of recording themselves. Is really tailored towards business owners, and so we're talking about simple stuff like lighting, mic placement, camera, all that good stuff. And so we're going to be, I have a class in there where I talk about that, and also how to script your intro video for other social media platforms. How to let people, how to record videos to drive business is really what the basis of this school community is. So if you're interested in that, we're still having a founder special. First 10 get lifetime access for $97. There is a fee attached to it. I've learned that people value information they pay for. That's one. Two, I'm trying to keep spammers out. So that's all I got. I will talk to y'all later. Peace.